Today, I want to show you how to check if a contractor is licensed and whether or not that license is still active or not. Believe it or not, many contractors use fake licenses that don't belong to them, or licenses that have been expired. And the last thing that you want is to find that out when it's too late. When you've already run into problems, at that point, there's not much you can do. So always make sure before you hire a contractor, check their license. If they show you a piece of paper like this or a pocket card, this is somewhat proof of a license. However, these may be expired or this paper can easily be forged. So before you hire a contractor, make sure you double check whether that license is active. In California, which is what this video pertains to, the governing body is a California State License Board. Every state has a different licensing body, so to make sure you take a look at your state's website and regulation. In California, that's a CSLB. And the website is cslb.ca.gov. And let's get into the website. And over there, I'll show you how to make sure the contractor is licensed and that license is active. We are now on the CSLB's website. You can see the URL is cslb.ca.gov. And this is where you want to come to see if a contractor is licensed and find out other information about contractors in California. On the homepage, we want to click Consumers. From there, we want to check or click on License Check. Over here, you can search with multiple different data points. You can search with license number, business name, or personal name. If you're wondering if a contractor is licensed and you just know their name, you can check it out here. We're going to use my name for the example, Sherian Andre. And you can see here the list of licenses under my name. We can click here, and these are the 3 licenses that are active. Now you can see here I've got the business name listed, the address, phone number. Most importantly is the license status. So is this license active? Our license is active. What classifications are under this license? So over here we've got a C39 for our business, as well as a B license, general B license. And we'll get into the details of different class codes and different licenses in another video. But over here, it's just important for right now to know where you can find those class codes. You can also find information on workers' compensation and the bond. Keep in mind, all this information is public. It needs to be public. Contractors need to provide it on their estimates and things like that. So if a contractor is not willing to give you their license number or is saying that's a private information, that is not true. You can go on the CSLB's website and check it. Again, if you ever see someone that gives you identification like this, or if they just give you a license number, always come and check whether a contractor is licensed and whether or not that license is active. And you can click from here on different locations. You can look at the personnel list, who's listed on the license, and so on. Hope this video helped, and stay tuned for other videos we'll have on how to check if a contractor is insured, the differences between contractor licenses, and other videos similar to that.